research in space is very important because in the future, we want to send people to space, to the moon, to Mars. We have to understand how can we survive. This is an unknown environment. The fungi by nature has its natural mechanisms to survive and grow in a high radiation condition. This experiment wants to understand how the fungi adapt to this space environment, how they cope with the radiation. This allows to find a new strategy or medicine to prevent astronauts from damage by space radiation. The second thing is also want to develop kind of new biomaterials, not only protect human beings, but also can make a coating material to protect spacecraft and also electronic equipment in space. Third one, so we want to build up we can use it as a fungi to build up biomanufacturing facilities in space, so we can produce a lot of biomaterials, medicine, even food in space. So we don't need to transport these materials to space in the future. These will significantly reduce the cost. I want to take this opportunity to thank NASA to provide us this great opportunity to fly our experiments to the moon. And secondly, I also like to thank the U.S. Naval Research Lab to provide us a tremendous resource to allow us to explore deep and think big. Hi, I'm Zheng Wang. I'm Artemis.